There's one big one, I would call it the big one, the big feature came from working with one of our awesome clients who shared one of their pain points, tracking individual sites across their national quality indicator collection. There's a lot of data to collect across a lot of indicators. If you're trying to look after more than one site, then you've got a quarter to collect the information and then a couple of weeks to submit it. So I think the pain point for managers is just knowing where that's up to and making sure it doesn't all fall in the last couple of weeks. And you know what that feeling's like for anything you do at the last minute. It creates unnecessary stress. Like I said, one of the clients was speaking to us about it and we sat down and we worked together on how to address this. And what we came to was a really awesome dashboard. So we're calling it the National Quality Indicator Completion Tracker. So what that allows you to do is very quickly and efficiently look at the progress of collection across any number of multiple sites. So what's really cool from our guys is they coded it in a way that it works anywhere from 2 sites up to 100 or 200 sites. The number doesn't matter. One of the requirements or the goals was to keep that very live and up to date. So whether it be CEOs, board members, managers, whoever want access to this completion tracker, they can see the dashboard and not even touch the finer grain controls that lead to collecting the data. And on a single view, you can literally see where each site's up to at the current moment, and you can filter all of those views. So if you wanted to look at a single indicator, you can look at that. If you want to look at all of them at one time, you can look at that. It's fully controllable, but on a default view, you can just instantly see where everything's up to. We're super proud of not just working with the client to design and build that solution, but I think the way that we applied it and the way we built it is going to be very impressive for the people who are using it, and I can't wait for people to use that. Very appealing for the large organizations who are trying to manage a lot of data there. That's going to be a bit of a game changer out there for the next coming quarter for those people trying to track that data.